Today I'm on the Taman Connaught night market or Pasar Malam, and I have a 45 ringgits, which is 10 American dollars budget to spend on food on today's video. This is one of the biggest markets in night market, street food markets in Malaysia, and the street where there's the stalls around, they are over 2 kilometers long. This market is open only once a week on Wednesdays nights, starting from 5 p.m. up to 11 or 1 p.m. And let's get started. Let's see what we can find here. All about the food, but also you can find the other stuff like electronics or clothes, guys. It's 9 o'clock and I'm gonna tell you it's very busy. Maybe because it's just once a week, or maybe because it's very nice food, a lot of selection. There is definitely so much stalls everywhere around.
Love is love. Love is love. Yo.
Alright, let's get started with this skewer, with this like a sausage. For $1, 350 ringgit. Let's see how it tastes. It's really nice. I think it's pork or beef, but tastes like a pork. Very tasty, not so spicy. Another one what I'm gonna try is black pepper chicken, which is like a skewer, but it's very nice and very fresh, because this guy is just grilling it right here, right now. So far so good on our skewer, this time with the black pepper chicken. Looks very nice. Let's try until it's still hot, guys. It's really nice. Tastes very good. I mean, I tried in many countries many times. This one is really great. I wanna eat more. Another one is gyoza, however they're selling 5 pieces. Maybe I'm gonna come back later. I wanna show you how he's cooking them. So nice, so fresh. It's just so good. Here we have a Korean barbecue stall. So many people actually around. That means it's great food. They're even selling the bacon here. Here we go, guys. Fresh bacon. Next one, I wanna try the pork pie for 4 ringgit. They are cooking right here, right now. This guy is frying. This lady is hand making it. So definitely I wanna try it. Let's go. But there's so many people in the queue. That means the food is great here. And anywhere, actually, so many people. Guys, check this out. Next one what we have is the pork pie with onion. Let's try it. It's very hot. It's even hard to hold this. I wait like 5 minutes before I'm gonna make this shot. Let's try it. It tastes a little bit like a polskie pierogi, like a Polish dumplings. Little bit, however, it's fried. Dumplings in Poland also can be fried. They are cooked first, boiled. Very hot, but very nice. I don't know if you can see, but it's like a steaming still. Very nice stuff. Basically, you can find the food from all around the world here, and by that I mean literally, especially from the other Asian countries. But it's so busy, it's sometimes even hard to make a video, guys. Here is very nice style with the cube tarts, and all the cube tarts are like this ones. I'm gonna take a one for me, only this one. Yeah, only one, yeah? All right, one cube tart, just as the dessert. I just wanna try. I mean, this is not the end. I just wanna have something sweet now. Looks like this one, very nice, with peach, kiwi, and some custard cream. Let's try. Walking already for like 1 hour, and I cannot see the end of the street, that's for sure. Somewhere there when I'm heading now, but you cannot see the end of the street at all, guys. Now it's time for the fruit juice, fresh squeezed from the fruits. Here we go, that's the flavors. I took the orange juice, very classic one, why not? Thank you so much, yeah, thank you. Big orange juice, I think it's half-liter one. Well, for 5 ringgit, not so bad. I don't know where they're taking the oranges, because they are so sweet and they didn't put the sugar. I didn't ask for the sugar, so cheers, guys. Okay, next the interesting position on this market is special burger. So basically the lady is cooking the eggs in the special well things, and this is like a form of the burger with some meat probably inside, like well, you can have a caviar, you can have a chicken, caviar, ham, and many other things. Alright guys, and now I have a special burger. This is probably something what I never saw before in my life and I never tried. So let's try. It's very hot, and well, let's say it's actually very hot. Nice, I have with ham. So basically one side is the egg and one side is the bread with ham inside. You can choose different toppings. Little bit oily, but very nice. Very interesting thing. Definitely worth to try. 4 ringgits. Except the lovely food, you can also buy the accessories here or any other electronical things, or maybe the accessories for ladies like a jewelry or hair stuff. many other things on this market, except the food, like an extra bonus. Another drink what I gonna try is the lime juice from this lovely seller for only 3 ringgit. Let's try it out. This big lime juice, actually very nice for 3 ringgit. This is like a big value, guys. Highly recommend it, and it's very nice. Also, they're selling some very interesting desserts over here. Not sure what's the name of it, however I wanna try with the chocolate and marshmallow. Check this out, how they are doing, very interesting way. And 3 pieces for 10, but I wanna buy 1 chocolate marshmallow. So basically there is a very long queue for this thingy, and every menu is in Chinese language and I don't understand single word what does it mean, only chocolate translation. But I wanna try. If everybody waiting, that means it's worth it, right? So let's see. Literally I was waiting like 20 minutes for this and I have totally no idea what is it, so I just straightforward gonna try because I don't know what to say. It's like, should be nice. I'm gonna tell you, it's really nice. What's worth? Wait, maybe a little bit long, but it's worth. 450 ringgit. I will enjoy it. Market is already almost finished, but they are still very busy, guys. So. Alright guys, I just come back home. I'm on the rooftop, beautiful view by the way. I was on the market like 3 hours. I arrived there at around 8:30 and come back and finish around 11:30. So I'm gonna tell you, if you're already at 11 or something, there are many stores already are closing down or sold out their stock. So better come earlier, but the 9-10 o'clock is perfect. It's, I mean, so busy and the food is all the time so fresh because they're cooking all the time. For all of these 8 dishes, actually 6 dishes, 2 drinks, I paid 26 ringgit, which is about 650 American dollar. I think it's a very good price. So overall the food in Malaysia is so cheap and so nice. All of the things what I tried, I really like it. 650 for all of this in American dollars is like super cheap. So if you are a foodie person and you really like to eat and trying the new cuisines, so definitely Malaysia is the place for you guys. Okay guys, so that's it from me from today. I hope so you enjoyed today's video, a little bit different, only the street food, but I think this is very important part of Malaysia. So I hope so you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you tomorrow on next one. As always, see ya, take care.